Daughter Eva just got home from CrossFit. How'd that go?
It was good. It was hard.
What'd you do?
Deadlifts and knees to elbows and rowing.
How much can you deadlift, Eva?
I did 105 tonight for 3.
How much do you weigh?
85.
That's pretty good. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. This evening I wanted to do just kind of a quick video. Hopefully it's fast. Sometimes I talk too much, I know that. But sort of a WOODSTACK 2018 update, and also to kind of clarify some of the instructions if anyone's confused. But before I get started, you may have noticed this video, I'm back to numbering our videos. I discontinued that for just a few days. I didn't really know that it mattered that much or if anyone paid attention to that. And so I asked in one of the videos if you think I should keep numbering them or not worry about it. And the answer was overwhelmingly yes. I mean, when I published that video asking that question, it was 2 hours later, we had 150 comments, and probably 98, 99% of them all said to number the videos. So we will do that from here on out. Maybe, maybe when we get to 10,000 videos or something, we'll reevaluate at that point, but we'll see. I'm even going to go back and fix the ones that I didn't number, and we'll all be back on track. So WOODSTACK 2018 is underway. Last night and today we've been getting a ton of pictures on our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. Now there was a little confusion. Some people I don't think watched the whole video with the instructions, so I just want to kind of do a follow-up here and make it as simple as possible so everybody knows where to put their pictures. So when you go to our Facebook page, you'll kind of scroll down the home page and you'll find 4 different posts in there. There's one post for the perfect stack of firewood. I'll show you that post right here. I took a screenshot of it. So if you think you have the perfect stack of firewood and you want to submit your entry, you need to go to the comments on that post and put your picture in the comments for that one. Then the next category is for the most creative stack of firewood, and I took a screenshot of that one as well. If you'd like to enter your stack of firewood in that category, you need to go to the comments there, put your picture there, and you're good to go. Third group is the Get Her Done group. Here's a picture of that one. So if you have a huge stack of firewood and you'd like to submit your entry there, just go to the comments, put your picture there. And then this morning I added a 4th group, and what this one is for other YouTube channels, because I mentioned that before. It's a different set of prizes for other YouTube channels. I don't want them promoting their own stack of firewood. I don't think that would be fair. However, they are going to win some nice prizes. So if you have a YouTube channel, you're going to want to put your pictures in the comments on this post. So I hope that makes sense to everybody. There's 4 posts you need to look for on our Facebook page. Perfect stack of firewood, creative, get her done, and if you have a YouTube channel, you'll put it in that one. That's all there is to it. Last night we got a ton of pictures in places where they shouldn't have been. I was getting private messages. People were just posting them to our Facebook page, but not everybody sees those. I even got pictures in emails, kind of all over the place. So the only way you're going to have a chance to win is if you get the pictures in the right post, because the 5 finalists in each category is going to be determined by the most number of likes on your picture. So that's something else. You can share those posts with your friends or on other Facebook pages, wherever you want, and if people like your stack of firewood, they'll hit the like button. We'll pick 5 finalists on October 31st, put them on a video, and maybe you'll win. Something else I want to mention: 1 picture per contestant per category. In other words, you can enter all 3 different categories if you'd like, but just 1 picture in each one. We can't clog it up with 10 pictures of the same stack of firewood or from multiple angles. You find your best picture, and that's the one that people are going to vote on. So I'll give you a day or 2 to clean those up if there's any still remaining, multiple pictures from the same person. If not, I'm going to have to pick which one I think is the best, leave it, and delete the rest. I'll do another update video in a couple days, let you know how things are going, but there's some really nice stacks of firewood. I think it's kind of fun. There's going to be some good prizes, so we'll see how this all shakes out. If you have any questions or anything like that, Melissa and daughter Hannah, they do their best to try to keep up with the Facebook page, but I'm telling you, the last couple days have been just crazy between YouTube comments Facebook comments, Instagram stuff. Everybody's really busy. So just follow the instructions. 3 different places you can put your pictures, unless you're another YouTuber, and we have their own little separate post for that, and you're good there. Shouldn't be that hard. And good luck to everybody, and we'll see how it goes. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.